ladies and gentlemen, let's begin with the bout number 6. So the featherweight division returns with the intensity at the Warriors Dream Series 15, the fight night. Speed, skill, and stamina. This is where the Warriors earns the respect. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, representing the team Relentless, trained under the coach Susovan with an amateur MMA record of 2 wins. Make some noise for Abhay Kahar. Red corner, representing P-Town West MMA, trained under the coach Gaurav Kamble, holding an amateur MMA record of 8 wins and 4 losses. Please welcome Srinath Barale.
This is bout number 6. Abhay Kahar from Team Relentless versus Srinath Barale from P-Town West MMA. Both amazing fighters trying to showcase us the best event possible.
We have different fighting sets today. Abhay trains in Wushu. He's won it at the state and national level. And on the other hand, Srinath is a practitioner of Kalaripayattu, the ancient Indian martial art. Let's see how this pans out. And right from the beginning of the fight, great spinning kick by Srinath. Abhay eats it and lands his counter and disbalances Srinath. Look at that sheer display of strength. Just look at that. He's ragdolling Srinath right now. This is a very scary position to be in, especially with such a brawler.
Coaches,
Srinath has him
corners.
in his guard. Is he going to complete? No, he's not going to complete the guard.
As we can see, Abhay dominating fight.
Srinath trying to reverse, but then again, Abhay has got some inhuman strength in him. He's not letting Srinath get the best of him.
Well, Abhay has that experience. Abhay trains under Team Relentless, representing Team Relentless. He's trained by Susovan.
Exactly, and we can see that play out.
Srinath Barale has some good experience as well. He is trained by Gaurav Kamble.
Yep,
has
he's
an
the
amateur.
striking coach at
He has
P-Town
a
West.
good amateur record of 8 wins and 4 losses. Youth and momentum versus experience and durability.
For sure. Abhay has latched on to that leg. He's not letting go, and it's going to be difficult to make him
Definitely.
let your leg go.
But as you can see, Srinath is
Srinath
trying to
landing some
punish
clean
Abhay.
rib strikes right now.
Abhay stands on his feet again. And
And
he drops
Abhay does it
Srinath.
again. I think it's very important that you don't let him secure his grip on you, because he definitely possesses the strength to smash you into the ground.
Well,
So
it
I
is a
think-
very painful process when you are like getting the momentum and suddenly your opponent pulls you up and just smashes you deep down to the
If you
ground.
remember, he carried him across the ring. That was a shocking display of strength.
Well, that is the training. That is definitely about the... And they both
He's going
trying
for
to
that
strike.
ground and pound entry. 10 seconds remaining. Can he enter? Yes, he is trying that.
And
And
here is
Srinath
the end of
successfully
round 1
defends.
with the successful fight showcased by these both fighters. Both not letting any of each other to dominate.
We love to see more of that brute strength by Abhay in round 2. Let's see what comes out of this. If you remember, Srinath started with a spinning kick. If he wants, he can really control range. He looks to be a proficient striker, and the best course of action would be to control range. He can't allow Abhay to get into those hooks with his arms. He can't allow Abhay to get into even a takedown position, because he will lift him and he will smash him.
Exactly, and let's see if Abhay tries it again, and then Srinath might have some answers, because he might have got an idea of what it's like. So then he might know what to do next time when Abhay tries this.
After
Or-
a solid round 1, we're transitioning into round 2 now.
And here we start with the round 2. Let's see what these both fighters have got between them. Abhay goes
Abhay
for
throws
the,
a big right hand.
but misses. Why I feel that Abhay is so much ready for this round to dominate this round.
Exactly. He's gauging Srinath right now. I feel like he's going to go for that takedown when he gets a chance.
But
He's
definitely
waiting
there is
for
a chance.
that opening.
There is a chance for Srinath to counter and give replies to Abhay.
Definitely. Srinath seems to be a proficient
And-
striker. Srinath lands a good backhand. Oh, nice.
Such
Nice
powerful strikes.
Defense by Abhay. The head movement was great on that one. The knowledge of distance was great on that one. Srinath showing his striking mastery right now.
The conditioning of these both fighters, like they both are trying to kill each other with
And
each
Abhay
punch.
lands that takedown. Can he finish it? Can he finish it? He's entered into it. Can he finish it? Can he finish it? And he does
He
it.
got-
And he does it.
Srinath tried to defend it so much, but
Srinath trying to posture up.
well,
Abhay still has his weight on Srinath. It's going
well,
to be
Rohan,
difficult
I
to
actually
posture up.
forgot to complete my point. That was these both fighters are so much well conditioned, like they both are trying to kill each other with each punch they are throwing to each other. But you see the amount of conditioning they have done to themselves of taking every punch. And again,
And a
Abhay
big
slams it to the
takedown, a
ground.
big takedown. And I agree, Ankit. Both of them look to be in phenomenal condition. Definitely that is helping out. We can see both of their advantages. Srinath is really strong and really fast in his striking, whereas Abhay is just
And
a
you
monster
see
with that strength.
Srinath landing his punches against Abhay. While Abhay trying to control Srinath with his brute strength.
Corner guiding Srinath to push his head out of the way and escape this clinch.
Srinath once tried
And
to
Abhay
get that bridge and
transitions
roll.
into side control right now. There's 30 seconds remaining. Let's see if Srinath can defend.
The
and
corners
stop.
are so loud that we are hearing this from the other side of the venue.
Exactly, the atmosphere is quite wild. The corners are riled up. They want their fighter to win and they're instructing them.
Last
10 seconds remaining.
Let's see what happens. Can these both fighters secure some points against each other? And here the round
And
two ends.
Srinath had a setup for a really good kick, but the bell has ended this. And now we head into the final round. The crowd is excited. The corners are definitely yelling out their instructions. They want their fighter to have the competitive advantage. So definitely, let's see how this round goes. Is it going to be Abhay's show of strength, or is it going to be Srinath's precision with striking? That's the question, and one of them will answer it. And we kick off the final round.
This is the last round. I guess both fighters should push their limits. What is Srinath trying?
Srinath is trying to bait Abhay into one wrong move so that he can land that clean shot. See,
And
that's what I'm
yeah.
talking about. The movement of hands is just a ruse, and Abhay lands a good backhand. Srinath definitely eats it. And he lands a jumping knee, but Abhay again is too resilient to fall to that.
As you can see,
Abhay locking in
trying
the
to
single leg.
push him again, and he
And he
completes
lands
the
it.
takedown.
He has completed the takedown.
Man, I'm kind of amazed by how these both fighters are applying pressure to each other, how they are pushing, like punishing each other with their brute force and their punches, their precise punches and powerful punches. They are both eating it, defending it, and fighting again. This is something amazing. This is something definitely inhuman from Srinath
sure.
and Abhay.
For sure. This has been a good play of strength and precision alike. Both of them giving it all.
This fight means a lot to so many people. Not every fight of Warriors Dream Series. This is Fight Night the 15th. We are ready for the action. We are ready for the brawl. We are ready for the amazing showcase by all these fighters.
You can see Srinath is still trying to land his strikes. He doesn't want to be in a position of patience and wait for a submission. He's trying his best to make the fight transition to a submission. He's keeping on his striking. He wants Abhay to make one mistake. He wants Abhay to make that one mistake which lands in a submission. Lot of options right now. Let's see if Abhay lets him.
Corners are getting heated up. They are fighting for their fighters. With their mouth, they are teaching their fighters what to do next. And as you can see,
It's turning to be into a striking match now, I feel. Let's see.
and
Abhay
he
lands
lands
a
a
head
head
kick
kick,
and a
perfect head
backhand
kick.
combo.
Abhay goes for the
That's
takedown.
a
Can he
single
complete
leg
this
by Abhay,
takedown?
and he completes it again.
Again,
Abhay
Srinath-
does not want this to go into striking. He wants to finish Srinath on the ground,
yes.
and he has shown really good performance on the ground today.
Because as I saw, as you saw, as we saw, and here the round ends,
And the round ends.
and the fight
Crazy
goes to split
performance by
decision.
both of these fighters.
Let's see what they have who performed the best. They both guys performed the best. They both performed phenomenal.
Just look at the camaraderie, look at the sportsmanship. Just look at that. And that's why we love this sport.
But let's see who got that final call, who got that points. Let's see who secures the win.
Exactly. Both of them have shown their very individualistic skill sets. Srinath with his striking and Abhay with his grappling and his strength. Srinath was not too bad on the ground also, because even though Abhay was in a dominant position, Srinath was able to hold on and defend really well.
Let's wait for the decision of the referee now. To the judges. You wanna bet? Rohan, you wanna bet on a fighter? Let's become millionaire, baby.
It's going to be crazy if we start betting on these fighters. Definitely. If you'll ask me right now, I would side with Abhay. I really loved his performance in this fight. I loved that sheer show of strength. Any type of takedown defense was falling short of those thunderous slams.
Definitely cannot agree, cannot disengage, cannot just forget by how Srinath landed his punches, landed his kicks. They both fighters have showcased themselves 100%.
Winner by unanimous decision from the blue corner.
Abhay secures the win, as you said.
I'm
And
going to be a
and you are a
millionaire.
The coaches to please step inside to present the prize.
Yes, so what an amazing
Crazy
fight.
performance.
Abhay did his 100%